Yeah, shit real out here, man.
Real life shit.
Lost my brother to this shit, man.
In these streets, man.
Real shit, man.
Feeling that though.
Savage life, before it started off, that's when we both died. Shit was crazy, sent him in a coffin. Couldn't believe my eyes, how it happened, I never know. Can't believe the lies, I catch the man that killed my bro. I bet my life he meet the 9. Jumped off the porch, young nigga, I was kinda lost. Couldn't think straight, loose screw, I was kinda off. Hella hard body, wasn't the toughest, but I wasn't soft. I started running from the cops, but then I started getting caught. Started getting ops, when I really started hating shit. Started sending shots, when I really started erasing shit. Started robbing niggas, but I really wasn't making shit. It's like a demon took my body over, it was Satan shit. The hood became a bloodbath, one big ass period. Everybody started dying, shit was getting serious. Blocks got shot up with choppers, bodies getting chopped up. Homicides in restaurants, blood getting mopped up. Niggas family getting hit, kids getting sparked up. And even cops was getting killed, the police couldn't stop us. Then I found something that I like, I started this rapping shit. Same time toting pipe, I was still clapping shit. Then I almost lost my life, that fluky shit happened quick. And then I fucking lost my mind and I got on some backward shit. Yeah, I fucking lost it, yeah, I really lost it. I fell in love with the streets, now all I know is hosted. Yo, bitch, she love fucking with me, cause she like them bosses. I gotta gain something, I done took too many losses. Ops wanna test me, cops wanna check me. Sometimes I just look up and I ask God to bless me. Sometimes I just bug up when that white man arrest me. A lot of niggas say they know me, but they never met me, little dummy boy. I'm from Johnny Squad, yes, rest in peace to Johnny boy. This shit looking dog, but these days they gon' get sunny, boy. Got a lot of heart, can't no nigga take that from me, boy. I'ma get this money, boy, that's real shit. I get on tracks and I kill shit. I'm just out here trying to make a meal quick. Ops hit me up like, where you at? I respond back in the field, bitch. And it's a lot of hating, I can feel it in the air. Niggas just gon' start seeing bullets in the air. Them pistols sounding off, you can hear it in the air. We gon' catch another op, then put them in the air.